Hey guys, I know you seen the title. Coinbase now introduce prediction markets. So, I don't know if you're necessarily familiar with this, but prediction markets is pretty much like border like gambling. So, they allow you to bet on or what they call trade expected outcomes, whether it's sports games, politics, weathers. So you can end up trading the outcome of what do you think will happen, like who will win the Grammys or who will win the Super Bowl between the Patriots and the Seahawks. So this is brand new for Coinbase. Now they do have other platforms like Kalshi, Robinhood, I think Poly Market or something like this, but now Coinbase. Now Coinbase was known for selling cryptocurrencies, but and I think they added stocks a little later, but now you can do prediction markets and bet on outcomes like sports games, politics, anything you can think of. And in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how you would do it, what it looks like in Coinbase, and in Coinbase, I'll go over what it would look like on the screen. I'll be doing it from the mobile app, and I'll go through the steps of how to do it. What may be the process to go do it. It's pretty easy, but I'm just kind of going to go through a step by step, and then I'm going to show you, how it looks and what you would end up seeing. But before we get started, make sure you hit the like button. It helps my video reach a broader audience and help YouTube know that this is great content. I haven't said it in so long I actually forgot it. I used to say it all the time, but I'm not going to waste any more time. So I have it up, the app up. So what you can end up doing, there's a few ways you should be able to see it. At the top, it's like the three lines. If you click that, and you can click predictions, that will be able to take you to the prediction markets page. Also at the bottom there's a predict. So Coinbase is really trying to pitch this because they make it very easy to find. If you hit predict, it'll just take you there. Also, if we go to home, on a home screen, um, it'll pop up. It says trade your predictions. Take a position on sports, politics, crypto, and more. So you will be able to do. You can be able to click that, and then you might have. It might end up asking you for your employment information just to know how much money you can make, just to make sure you qualify. And they might ask you to enter in some personal information. I believe I went through that part already, but if they ask you employment information, or maybe I'll have a screenshot up at some things that you might end up seeing, but you might have to accept some type of agreement. I had already did that before the video. It's pretty simple. You might just have to enter a few information or something like that. But we'll go over the process. It says choose your market. A prediction market lets you trade on what you think will happen in sports, crypto, politics, or entertainment. Browse the category in the predict tab to find the event you're interested in. Next, prices reflects the odds. Prediction events are bought and sold in contracts. Purchased between $0 and $1. The contract price reflects the market implied odds. For example, a price of 65 cents implies the market believes there's a 65% chance that the event will happen. Trade on yes or no. Ready to make a prediction? Buy yes contracts if you think the event will happen, or no if you don't think it will happen. If you're right, each contract pays out $1. If you're wrong, it pays out zero. So basically, if you're wrong, you lose all your money. Okay, done. And then once you're done, so went through that whole process. Now the big thing, of course, the Super Bowl. Seahawks is heavily favorite. What I'll end up doing is I will probably use that one as the example for this video. But let's see what other ones they have. So there's a big game, Seahawks, New England. Let's see. They also have the live one at the top. You can see what do they have live. It kind of shows it in real time. It looks like they got looks like golf, a few golf ones, tennis, all of that. Look like they got a little soccer as well. Let's see what other ones. Of course, they have bets you can make what you think Bitcoin would be, the highs, how low will Bitcoin get in February, Ethereum, bets like that. Politics as well. Who will Trump nominate as the Fed chair? They have economics. Let's see, Fed decision in March 2026. They have so many things you can end up placing bets on or trades bets. But how much government spending will Trump cut in 2025? Unemployment in 2026. They have entertainment. Let's see. Bad Bunny halftime opener. Who will perform at the big game? They have that. They have fine literally almost any title you can think of. Financials, elections, which I think this is really dangerous. They even have international elections as well. You can bet on. Let's see what else they have. They have mentions. Uh, what will the announcers say during the football? They got what will they say? What will EA say during the next earnings call? They even got weather. Have highest temperature in New York City on February 6th. LA. Man, they have literally science and technology. They literally have everything. Best AI of the week. Companies. Let's see what they have for companies. Which brand will advertise during the big game? How many? They have literally everything you can think of. And social as well. Who will get married on Love Is Blind? This is pretty much everything. And keep in mind, this is on Coinbase, so you would actually be very surprised that this is actually on Coinbase. But it is. So what we're gonna do is the big game. Super Bowl's coming up. So I'm gonna click that to show you it. So basically, and it shows you exactly how it will end up winning. So the how much money you would end up winning. So there's a 33% chance. Each contract is $1. So if you get $100 worth of contracts and you end up winning, you'll get $303. If you bet $100 for the Seahawks and you're right, you'll get 147. And it slightly fluctuates and things like that. So like for example, the this contract is 30 each contract is 32 cents. So if you well, it fluctuates, but if you get the contract as 33 cents, if you are right, the payout will be $1. Same thing for the Seahawks, the contract is 69 cents. If you end up right, you'll get $1, and if you're wrong, you lose all your money. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to end up betting on New England. I'm just gonna just do a small bet. Uh, oh, so it looks like so now if we remember, each contract is based cost of the chances of them winning. So I think the chances of them winning is 33%. So I got five. So since I said $2 worth, that's why they end up having five contracts because each contract is worth the percentage of them winning. So it's 33% chance of them winning. I said $2 worth, so that's how they had five contracts, and the payout would be if I win $5. So I'm going to hit review, and it shows you clearly five contracts. I'm buying $1 and 65 cents. Odds 33 chance. I'm saying it says you're buying $1 and 65 cents. Odds 33 chance, and payout if I'm right, I'll get $5. Profit of $3.25, and Coinbase fees right there is about 10 cents. Buy now, order complete, and that's done. They also send you a notification at the top. We can hit view transaction there. As you can see, well, they have other, you know, it's transaction is right there. Okay. Now what we will end up doing you can scroll down all the way down. Um, we can hit predictions. We can click that, and it'll show your position here. Here is my position right here. When you click on it, you can see right now. I bought two, I believe two contracts yesterday and five contracts today. So yeah. So I have right now seven contracts total. Because I bought two yesterday and five today. So, and when you go at up here, which is my balance, was my total position. So now I have seven contracts. So if I'm right, the payout will be $7. You can allow you to cash out. They allow you to buy more. So that's how that works. And actually, if we go home, we can scroll all, or you can go to home and scroll all the way down, and you should see predictions. Yep. So that's another easy way to go to home to see your position. You can just scroll all the way down past watch list, crypto, derivatives, and predictions. So then you would end up just clicking that. Well, or not the arrow, but yeah, the arrow, and then it will show you your open positions, payout if correct. It shows you the payouts if you are correct. Current odds 33%, balance. So it shows you everything that you want to end up going, my open positions and everything. But guys, yeah, so I went over everything. This is interesting. It looks like these, trading platforms are looking for consistent income. And unfortunately, the more people trade or the more people gamble, the more money that they make, so that they're really pushing these products. Now, it started with Kalshi, then I think Polymarket, then I think Robinhood, and now Coinbase is adding this. I'm really curious to see how the legal aspect would work, because a lot of states, the gambling rules and the commodity rules is kind of different. So, because if they name it as gambling, then the brokerage is supposed to end up paying a certain amount to the state. But the way this is now, they won't have to do it. So I'm curious to see how this is going to happen. I think eventually this prediction market, they're going to revert it and count it as gambling. But right now they can end up sliding trades. And by the way, since it's counted as trades, you can actually, these would actually count as legit write-offs as investments for up to $3,000. But anyway, guys, I went with New England. I just wanted to show you the Coinbase with their new feature, prediction markets. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about it? If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel.